In this video, we're going to look at how to configure and use the iManage connector to add files into a bundle. To configure iManage, I need to navigate to the Connectors section in the Backstage view. Here, the iManage version needs to be version 10, as we do not integrate with version 9. The server name will usually be provided by your IT team. Once this is completed, I click Check Login and I'm prompted with an iManage sign-in window. Here you sign in with your iManage credentials. I can then navigate back to the New tab and open a new bundle with a basic template. This is the bundle main view, which includes your sections, documents, and bundle layout preview panes. At the bottom of the screen, you can see an iManage pane, which is where you can find all your files and documents stored in iManage. By default, the panel shows your matters by creation date. To view the documents in a matter, double-click on a matter reference, or click once and click Select. You can then navigate through your folders and drag and drop folders into the Sections area, or files into the Documents panel to add them to your bundle. To move back up a level, I click this folder with an arrow in the Documents ribbon. If you drag and drop a document, it will be added to the section which is highlighted. I can then navigate through the bundle using the Sections area to see the documents in each of the sections. I can also multi-select documents using the Control button and drag and drop them all into a section. Within the iManage connector, you can also locate files using the filter. You can type to search by name and then click Enter to search. I can also sort and filter my matters by using any of these options along the top of the matter view. The files can be added from iManage by double-clicking, by dragging and dropping, or by highlighting the document and clicking Select. I can also rename sections by double-clicking on the relevant section and renaming, and clicking Update. To save your bundle back into iManage, click on the File tab at the top of the screen. Click Save, and then select iManage as the location to save the file to. I can then select the relevant matter and folder and name and save my file. When the bundle has been saved, you can return back to the bundle main view using the arrow button and click the Create PDF button. In order to check your bundle before being charged, tick the Draft Bundle option and then click Yes. This charging point is not relevant if you are an enterprise user. You can then view a watermarked version of your bundle, which contains your selected iManage files.